In this video, we will see how to connect the robotic vacuum cleaner to the Smart Life app. So, firstly, I'll switch on the robot by pressing this button. Okay. Once the green light will appear, you can assume that it is on.
Welcome to use robot vacuum cleaner. Glad to serve you.
After then, we need to go to the mobile app. Here I am opting on add device. Then small home appliances. In the right hand side, we will scroll down.
Network
We will select
succeeded.
the robot vacuum Wi-Fi only, the middle one. Now my 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi's password is already appear here. Now I select on the next. Now it is asking for the reset the device. For the resetting, we will hold that home sign button at least for 5 to 10 seconds.
Start fast network connection mode.
Okay, now you can see as the status is blinking right now, we will select this confirm the indicator light is blinking. Now it is blinking quickly, so we will select on blink quickly option.
Network connection succeeded.
Okay, see, as it is added already, just click on the plus and do the done. Now, like this way you can connect your phone to the device. Thank you.